Hi, in this short tutorial, let's discover how to replicate accurately the Farfisa Professional Piano sound. This instrument, released back in 1970, can be considered relatively rare, having few related content in the internet. The only clear image source for this electric piano could be found in this complete video review presented by Alberto Bazzoli. The complete video and his channel are available in the description. However, the reconstruction of this instrument is absolutely simple. This electric piano sound got famous in the hit released back in 1974, Autobahn by Kraftwerk, the German band. At some parts of this tune, you can clearly listen to some variations of sounds, and in this video we will explore two of these variations: the standard piano and the legato sound. If you love electronic music, Kraftwerk, and sound design, I have two products that can help you. The ebook Recreating 10 Kraftwerk Sounds and the Minimoog helps you to recreate the famous sounds used in their compositions back in the 1970s with this legendary synthesizer. And if you want to power up your productions exploring the amazing Kraftwerk's catalog sound, the Synth Track 1 is your choice. The Synth Track 1 is a synth preset pack inspired by Kraftwerk's catalog with 128 presets. Both products links are available in the description. So let's follow the steps to recreate this amazing instrument sound. If this video content is helpful for you, please help me back by subscribing to the channel, hitting the like button, and sharing this content to people who like it as much as you do. And let's start it up. The first thing you have to keep in mind is that the Farfisa Professional Piano is a Sawtooth-based instrument. We can clearly identify this by using a single oscilloscope. Let's compare. This is a primitive Sawtooth waveform, and this is a Farfisa Professional Piano legato waveform. Quite similar. So we need a Sawtooth waveform oscillator. There are tons of plugins to make it happen. However, let's use the Synth one. This is one of the most complete plugins for free that emulates a synthesizer. The link for download Synth 1 is available in the description. One of the main benefits of using this virtual synthesizer is that it has built-in effects, such as phaser, ring mode, equalization control, and more. Now let's modulate the sound. Go to the Oscillators bank and set both oscillators as Sawtooth. Now let's go to the Amplifier tab for modulating this as a standard piano and later as a legato sound. For modulating it as a standard piano, set the attack parameter all the way down. Set the delay parameter about higher than the half. Next, turn the sustain parameter all the way down. At last, set the release parameter in a half position. If you want to try the legato sound, set the attack parameter in the middle and set the sustain parameter a little bit higher than the K. Next, let's set the filter envelope. For the single piano sound, set the attack parameter all the way down. Set the decay parameter in the half position. Turn the sustain all the way down and the release parameter all the way up. To adjust the legato sound filter envelope, make the 4 filters parameters be similar to the amplifier's parameters explained before. Don't forget to adjust the frequency according to your preferences and turn down the velocity button. Next, go to the Effects tab. Select the effect Phaser 3. Adjust the parameters as I did. Turn the effect on and set the equalizer parameters tending to a low sound. You can also use an external equalizer if you prefer. With a proper equalization effect, it gets even more accurate. Let's listen to the beautiful sounds of this amazing instrument. Enjoy! And this was a summary of how to recreate the Farfisa Professional Piano sound. If it is challenging to you spending hours designing sound, I really recommend you to check out the Synth Track 1 to download in the accurate presets for the link in the description. I really hope this tutorial can help you, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share this content. Let me know if you like this kind of videos so we can bring more like this. See you in the next video, goodbye!